Oh my gosh. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorlla. If this is your first time in seeing any of my videos, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today I'm giving you guys the Bratz challenge. Yay! This challenge has taken over the social media. It's everywhere. I'm like, okay, let me just jump straight into the video. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation because you know your girl is going heavy on that makeup today, and Fenty Beauty is pretty full coverage on its own. I'm just going to use that all over my face, and I'm taking my all that glitters Black Radiance Beauty eyeshadow palette. There is this pink lipstick in this palette that I'm gonna use to cut my crease. This is gonna serve as a base for the matte eyeshadow that is coming on top. So I'm taking Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna use that pink to set the lipstick cut crease. So I'm gonna use this yellow eyeshadow to blend out my crease, to avoid creasing, you know, to give my blending game. Ooh. I'm also just gonna keep quiet right now, okay? So I'm taking my concealer to cut out my crease. Today I'm gonna be using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna draw that line even to the corners of my eyes, because you know dolls usually have big eyeballs and long eyes. So I'm just going to apply the concealer all over my lid. Then I'm going in with a makeup remover on a cutting board to remove excess shadows on the lid. You know, this would give me room for a clean canvas for the next shadow coming on board. So I'm taking this purple eyeshadow from Morphe 35 Hairs palette. I'm just going to use that to intensify the crease, creating that sassy look, giving me that edge that I crave, giving me that attention. And I'm taking that same concealer to clean the lid. I just want a clean cut, right? I want that clean cut. Then I'm just going to shut up and just let you guys watch in peace. You know, I'm blabbing. La, la. Just because Bratziana loves attention, I'm just gonna take this sparkly gold from Huda Beauty nude palette, and I'm gonna press that on the white matte eyeshadow. Then I'm just gonna start with the wing. Oh my gosh, I'm taking this wing to the Lord. Like, this wing is about to go meet Jesus in heaven, my Lord. Okay, get serious. I mean, to the matter at hand. This is the time that we've all been waiting for. I'm just gonna draw that eye. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point, but I just know that it's gonna turn out good, you know. Okay. almost at the end of this video, and in all honesty guys, I really had so much fun creating this look. Like, look at me right now, I'm giving myself that fuller lips. Like, who does that? Only a doll can pull this off. So I am so happy with this look, and I'm so happy with the outcome. I really love it so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't also forget to subscribe to my channel. Also check me out on my social media, Lorlla Icon on IG, Lorlla Icon Ways on Twitter, Lorlla Icon on Snapchat, and catch you guys next time. Bye bye.